Japanese gardens have a way of stimulating all of our senses and are renowned for their therapeutic benefits. If done the right way, they provide a sanctuary of tranquility and harmony amidst the chaos of modern life. Let's explore why these gardens are so deeply therapeutic. First, it's all about natural beauty. Well-designed Japanese gardens, or Shizen-style gardens, highlight local plant materials to provide a sense of comfort and familiarity, even though we tend to have an image of exoticness. They're meticulously designed to mimic natural landscapes, incorporating elements like water and local rocks and plants. Harmoniously arranging these different materials has a profound calming effect on the mind. The visual stimulation puts us in a place of visual serenity. Zen's influence has also played a crucial role, especially in the dry rock garden style, or kare sansui. Originally, the garden was more of a recreational space and an extension of aristocratic courts. But eventually, the samurai were drawn to the Zen garden aspects of simplicity and self-discipline. Inspired by Zen Buddhism, these gardens emphasize mindfulness, simplicity, and inner peace. Their minimalist design principles create an environment perfect for contemplation and relaxation. Symbolism adds another layer of depth. Rocks symbolize mountains, water represents the flow of life, and bridges signify transition and connection with something beyond ourselves. Engaging with these symbols encourages introspection and a deeper connection to one's surroundings. Smooth stones, textured pathways, and softness of moss under your feet offer tactile stimulation, allowing you to connect with the garden through the sense of touch. By the way, if you have questions about a design for your garden space or want to learn more about Japanese garden design, why don't you join us in the membership community over at my website at shizenstyle.com. Tranquil sounds are also in abundance for some auditory stimulation. Water features like ponds, streams, and waterfalls create soothing sounds that drown out background noise, calming the mind and reducing stress. Deer scares also have a rhythmic sound to the bamboo vessel dropping along with the water. If there's enough nature surrounding the garden, you also have the benefit of stimulation from the wind blowing through the trees and the birds chirping. Many haiku poems have been written about these small auditory stimulations while sitting and observing the garden in silence, only to realize there's a natural world of music going on if we only stop and pay attention to it. Along the theme of auditory stimulation, I've performed shakuhachi bamboo flute music in many Japanese gardens. At times, if it's too windy, that can be a little difficult to play in, but in general, they're a perfect space to appreciate the music and get a full sensory experience. Mindful walking is encouraged. These gardens are designed to be experienced slowly, promoting mindfulness and awareness of the present moment. It's a practice that reduces anxiety and increases a sense of well-being. Stroll gardens are specifically designed to take you on a small journey of different scenes and experiences, whereas the tea garden keeps you more centered on the present moment with winding turns and stepping stones. And finally, they offer an escape from urban life. Stepping into a serene Japanese garden provides a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle, allowing people to recharge and rejuvenate. The combination of natural beauty, Zen principles, symbolism, tranquil sounds, mindful walking, and escape from urban life makes Japanese gardens a truly therapeutic space for relaxation, contemplation, and connection with nature. Now that we've talked about many of the therapeutic benefits of Japanese gardens, you'll probably want to go deeper on Japanese stroll garden design and designs that heal.